In Adobe Illustrator, if you need to resize your artboard, press Shift+O to switch to the Artboard tool. Click on the Properties tab, and inside the panel, you can change the size to whatever dimensions you need by typing in the width and the height. Below in the preset drop-down, you can select any of the Adobe presets available if you need a certain format. You can also resize any artboard by clicking on a corner and dragging, just like you can do with a shape. If you need your artboard to fit only your selection with no extra space, then click and drag over the design. Double-click anywhere on the design and the artboard will appear around it. Be careful that everything is joined together or at least grouped together, to avoid having the board around only one object. In this case, just hit Ctrl-Z to undo, select all the shapes again, and Ctrl-G to group them together. Now bring up the Artboard tool again with Shift and O, and double-click. Now the artboard is around the entire design as intended. We can also quickly change the name of the artboard to keep track if there happens to be multiple boards in the file.